Want to keep an eye on changes made to your Instagram messages? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to filter your account history specifically for messaging updates. Let's jump in. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the main menu. From here, select your activity. This section shows a full overview of your interactions and any updates made within your account. Scroll down and tap Account History. Here, you'll see a timeline of all the changes made to your account, things like profile edits, username changes, and password updates. To narrow it down to just messaging activity, tap the Filter button at the top of the screen. Then choose Update Type from the available options. You'll see a list of categories. Scroll through and select Messaging to filter out everything except messaging-related updates. This includes changes to chat settings, message requests, and any other messaging-related activity. After selecting it, tap Apply and your account history will refresh to show only the updates connected to Instagram's messaging features. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more app tips, and let us know what you'd like to learn next.